Cúpla frás a lífa eile nach leis an gominic ó fólamóir. Iver hain marsoldich for as you know. So even though if we're saying you know by itself, we'll normally say tasad. When we're saying as you know, or as you're aware, we'll say marsoldich. This comes from, let's say, oluk, which would mean aware by itself. And if we're saying something like marsoldich nivamen chin amork, that'll be as you know or as you're aware, I won't be there tomorrow. Iver though, not bach or not backlash. This one's kind of tough to translate back into English, but essentially don't bother with it or leave it. Okay, so let's say I had a coffee, someone spilt it over, they said they were going in to buy me another one. I could say, no backlash. Like, leave it, don't bother with it, don't worry about it, okay? You could say it about a person, don't bother with them or don't bother with that group, no backlash. Agus iver trí, anish is arish for now and again. Capable of minute a vín tú how often do you be doing that? Anish is arish, now and again.